Jai Bharat and welcome everyone to Advait Achievers. Pranam to all of you as I believe Vidyarthi Devo Bhava. Till now we have discussed about the mechanism of muscle contraction and how constant energy is provided for that muscle contraction. In this segment we will be talking about Core's cycle. Core's cycle, the name is given after the name of the discoverer, of course, and it is also known as lactic acid cycle, right? Why it is called lactic acid cycle? That once you understand it, you will be able to relate why we are calling it lactic acid cycle. It is basically explaining the metabolic pathway, okay, in which the lactic acid which is produced as a result of the anaerobic breakdown of glucose, right, and its conversion to say glycogen, how it is transported to liver and then it is stored over there. So that whole metabolic pathway is known as this Core's cycle. So we will start with the glucose which is present in the blood, all right. So we know glucose, the sugar which is transported is in the form of glucose, right? So say glucose, this glucose is present where? In the blood, all right. It is converted to glycogen which is stored in the muscle. So say this glucose is converted to what? Glycogen. ग्लाइकोजन दो जगह पे स्टोर होता है, मसल में और लीवर में, ठीक है। तो अभी हम बात कर रहे हैं स्टोर्ड इन द मसल. सो आई विल ऐड ओवर हियर this process of conversion of glucose to glycogen is called what? Glycogenesis. इसको बोलते हैं glycogenesis. ठीक है, तो अब क्या हुआ है? Glucose is converted to glycogen, it is stored in the muscle. Now when during muscle contraction more and more energy is required, it undergoes anaerobic respiration. So this glycogen is first converted to glucose and that glucose undergoes what? Anaerobic breakdown to form lactic acid. So we are going to show that process, right? So glycogen being converted to what? Back to glucose. क्योंकि ग्लाइकोलाइसिस तो ग्लूकोज का ही होगा. तो ये था ग्लाइकोजन फॉर्मेशन, तो ग्लाइकोजेनेसिस. अब क्या हुआ? ग्लाइकोजन को वापस हमने ग्लूकोज में कन्वर्ट किया, राइट? दैट इज कॉल्ड एज व्हाट? ग्लाइकोजिनोलाइसिस. ओके, ग्लाइकोजिनोलाइसिस, तो वो भी हम ऐड कर देते. This process is called glycogeno, or you can say glycogenolysis. So glycogenolysis, breaking of this glycogen to form glucose. This glucose is going to undergo glycolysis and will form what? Lactic acid. Where? In the muscle cell, right? So glucose is going to undergo glycolysis. And is going to form the lactic acid through anaerobic respiration. पूरा ही प्रोसेस है, मैंने सिर्फ अभी ग्लाइकोलाइसिस लिखा है. ग्लूकोज टू पायरुविक एसिड एंड देन पायरुविक एसिड टू लैक्टिक एसिड. तो ग्लाइकोलाइसिस एंड वी कैन से anaerobic respiration or breakdown, right? So that is formed. अब ये lactic acid जो बना है वो कहाँ पे बना है? It is in the muscle, right? The lactic acid formed is in the muscle. From muscle, right, it has to be transported because अगर उसका accumulation ज़्यादा होता है it causes muscle fatigue, right? Pain create करता है. So this has to be sent to the liver. where it will be back converted to glycogen. So lactic acid goes back where? Into the liver, and it gets converted back to glycogen. So lactic acid getting converted to glycogen, पर अब ये glycogen कहाँ है? In the liver, right? Again that process is called as glycogenesis. Glycogen बना है, so it is glycogenesis. Okay, so it is formed in the liver, and whenever required from the liver, जब एनर्जी की जरूरत है, this glycogen is converted back to glucose released in the blood. So that process, glycogen to glucose, is what? Glycogenolysis. So that process is glycogenolysis, right? So you can see it is the whole process actually talks about the conversion of lactic acid to glycogen, glycogen getting converted to glucose, and glucose getting back converted to glycogen, right? So this is Cori's cycle. So in short, if we write the pathway of Cori's cycle, what we want to talk about, we can say we are talking about lactic acid, which is formed when during the anaerobic respiration in the muscle, that getting converted to glycogen where? In the liver. From the liver, whenever required, this glycogen, when the glucose is used up, the stored glycogen is converted back to glucose to release energy, and the excess of glucose then gets stored back where? Into in glycogen in even the muscle cells also. So this whole pathway talks about the Cori's cycle, right? I hope children you all have followed. Thank you and Jai Bharat.